Hello gamers. Have you ever wondered how to earn through metaverse game? Our today's video is about what is play to earn and how it works. So let us start. Video games have changed a lot in the last few years, just like mobile phones. They have gone from being small enough to fit in your palm to being played on a computer to being played on a wireless console. So far, though, only the people who made these games made money, while the people who played them just spent money to have fun. But a new generation of gamers wanted something different. They wanted rewards based on how much time was spent in virtual game worlds, and the metaverse made this possible. It made the play-to-earn model popular. How are metaverse play-to-earn models different from those in mobile games? So far, most video games have had a centralized economic model, which means that developers and publishers had the rights to all in-game economy items and could give them out however they wanted. For example, if you own skins or other items in the game, the developers could let you keep them. But if they shut down the game or took away any features that affected the item you owned, you wouldn't be able to do anything and would lose the item or skin. With the play-to-earn model, all the digital assets you own in the game are legally yours, and you can do whatever you want with them. You can even take them to other markets and sell them there. How do ownership and the play-to-earn model work? Play-to-earn games use blockchain technology because you can earn items while playing them by using crypto tokens, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and staking. Many of these games will give you one of the digital items above in exchange for your time. In the game world of Axie Infinity, for example, you can earn tokens called SLPs that you can sell on exchanges for real money or stable coins. You can also sell and trade digital assets like land and weapons in the form of NFTs with other players in a special marketplace. Since these items would be turned into tokens, they would be unique assets that can't be copied, and the tokens for these items would be safely stored in a distributed ledger. Decentraland. Open your web browser and go to the website's main page. When you open the page, you will see options to play with your wallet or as a guest. It is best to play with a digital wallet because it lets you enjoy the whole game. If you choose play with digital wallet, you have to link the game to the wallet you want to use. When you connect your wallet, you'll be asked to sign in. You will be taken to the page where you can change your avatar. On the page for customizing your avatar, you will be able to change its head, body, top, bottom, shoes, and other accessories. Choose a name for your character after you've made changes to him or her. You are now ready to look around the world of Decentraland. You can walk your character to other people's land and properties to look around, or you can buy any piece of land in the game. The play-to-earn game model in the metaverse is a new way for people to make money from the time they spend playing video games. The model is still in its early stages, so it's hard to say how profitable it will be for players in the future. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, comment, share, and like.